This topic was inspired by this comment. Hi guys, Zumit's here, your bubbly pessimist cubing mentor. Today, we're talking about how to choose your first speed cube. You know those not-so-pro cubers who answer beginners with "what's your preference?" Like, what? That's like asking someone, when is your death anniversary? Beginners don't even know what preference means yet. Listen, they're not helping you. They're just asking you a wrong question, so, instead, listen to me. When picking your first cube, remember these 4 things. 1. Budget. Your first cube will always be a budget cube. Why? Because you don't want to waste your whole allowance on something you might hate later. That's how you build your so-called preference. Start cheap. Milan, RS3M, those are solid. Don't even look again unless you're rich. Having again cube is basically flexing an iPhone. Cool, but not necessary. 2. The feel. If you have small weak hands like me, go for light and fast cubes. Use Milan, RS3M, GTS2M all the way to WRMV11 are insanely quick, sometimes too quick, so magnets are a lifesaver. If you prefer more control, brands like Chi or GAN give you that bounce. Not sponsored by the way, I just really vibe with Mu because they're fast, smooth, frictionless and perfect for fast turning. 3. Magnetic cube. Magnets add stability and stop you from overshooting. They also cost a little more, but honestly, totally worth it. Plus, magnets just sound cooler when you flex your cube. 4. Appearance. If you care about looking cool while cubing, pick something sleek. Mou, Chi, and GAN all look good, but remember budget first, please don't burn your wallets. Conclusion. First cube was the VOC 3. Then I got the GTS2M as my first magnetic. After that, I stuck with Mou because nothing beats their speed and frictionless feel. But for you beginners, start cheap, learn, then upgrade. That's how you build your real preference. To answer the question, I'll go with Milan 3MV2. Cause I haven't tried the Swift and Go Cube. I always give my cheap Cube to my friends or cousins, that's why. I don't have a cheap Cube ATM. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more not so serious topics like this.